Yo, today, boys, I'm not just gonna help you, I'm gonna help your future sons. Because in case you don't know, for the last hundreds or so years, male sperm count has been on a steady decline, alongside with our testosterone. I'm trying to jack up your masculinity and your male juice. So today, boys, I'm gonna show you how to naturally boost your sperm count. Number one, keep your phone out of your front pocket. Your phone emits radiation and heat, and there have been scientific studies that show that both have a direct correlation that affect sperm mobility. In other words, your swimmers don't swim as well, meaning you won't be able to have kids in the future. It is much better to grab your phone, put it in your back pocket, or if you have a sling, which I've recommended before, put it in the sling. Two, reducing temperature. See, if you want to increase sperm count, in case you haven't noticed yet, once your balls drop, the reason that they drop is because they want to be separated from your body. Your body temperature is too high. That way, your testicles are in a cooler area and can produce more sperm. You want to avoid anything that increases heat in that area to ensure sperm mobility and sperm production. A great way to also do this is hygienically by trimming. How many times have I told you? If you trim down that bush, it adds more airflow, especially if you wear the right boxers, and now you're increasing that cooling sensation, allowing your boys to perform at its peak. That's what we do best here at Manscaped. Yo, with our company Manscaped, especially a Perfect Package 4.0, I think it's literally designed to increase sperm count. Check this out. So obviously we have that, our Perfect Package 4.0 comes with our Lawnmower 4.0. Best trimmer on the market you're gonna ever find when it comes to manscaping. 7,000 RPM. It's wireless charging, comes with its docking station. It's waterproof. You already know we got the best in the business. So that trim down the hair, increases airflow. We don't stop there. We also give you two products, a ball toner and a ball deodorant. Once you start using these products, you're gonna feel an increased cooling effect all day. You're gonna cut out any sweatiness, any swampiness, and just all day, you're just gonna feel refreshed down there. And as you know, our Perfect Package 4.0 also comes with two free gifts. Our DOP kit, our leather DOP kit, which you can carry all your essentials in, but also number two, our boxers. Our boxers are made with a high-grade material that increases airflow. So when you mix all three, you shave, you use our ball deodorant, and then you use our boxers, you're basically setting up your boys for an ideal situation at being at its coolest state possible. And we already know, reducing temperature increases your boy's sperm production. What I'm telling you here is, we're covering it all. See, no other brand has ever thought about you, your balls, and your future generations like we do here at Manscaped. This is why if you don't have proper grooming techniques down there, if you're not consistently manscaping, avoiding the sweat, wearing the right boxers, I need you guys to check out our brand. Check out our Perfect Package 4.0. Yo, we're 2 weeks away from Christmas. I know you're thinking about it. You want a good gift for yourself. Maybe you want a good gift for somebody else and you don't know what to get them. This is what you get them, bro. Manscaped Perfect Package 4.0 is a gift that every guy wants, and I know you want it too. And right now is the time to do so. If you guys click the link down below, our current holiday sale, you're gonna get 20% off, free shipping, plus those two free gifts. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. 3, use better hygiene products. See, most of you don't know this, but a lot of the hygiene products you use, your shampoos, your conditioners, your deodorants, your fragrances, a lot of them have your parabens. They also have something called bisphenol A or BPA. This is something that acts like a pseudo-estrogen in the body, and as you already know, once you increase your estrogen levels, you suppress your testosterone levels, which consequently affects your sperm. Make sure you're using higher grade grooming products. Usually it's the cheaper products that have it. You have to read the ingredient list to make sure it doesn't have your parabens, your sulfates, or your BPAs, and if it doesn't, you're good to go. Number 4, stay in shape. There is a direct correlation between higher BMI and lower sperm mobility, which, I mean, who would have thought, right? If you're overweight, out of shape, can't even take a flight of stairs, how do you think your swimmers are gonna swim? Right? They're gonna be as unhealthy as you are. So if you're wheezing from just taking up a flight of stairs, that's what your swimmers are basically doing. You're not only reducing the sperm count, you're reducing how well they can swim, which can affect your fertility down the future. Number 5, cut out alcohol and drug use. Now the studies on this aren't concrete, but better be safe than sorry. I'm not telling you to cut it out completely, just moderate it, because there are certain studies that suggest that there's a direct correlation between alcohol, marijuana, and cocaine consumption and reduced sperm count and sperm mobility. So my suggestion, like I've always told you, you need to learn, if you want to consume these, to consume them under control. You never want to be controlled by substances, because everything in excess usually ends up breaking something down. And finally, number 6, take something called Penugreek, which is a natural supplement that you can add to your supplement stack that you take every morning. It's cheap, and studies have already proven that this natural supplement that has been used for centuries already to help with sperm count and sperm mobility and fertility is something that you can take to not only increase your testosterone, but also help with increasing that sperm count and mobility.